Back to the channel. This is Pixel Retouch Academy. My name is Biggs, and I have something exciting to share today with you guys. All right, so just take a look at this image before and after. Now this video is for those who are looking for the melanin skin tone, and yes, I have created an action that can actually give you this at one click. In one click, and you get your auto melanin skin. Now this action does everything for you. You don't need to mask, you don't need to paint, you don't need to create a mask or any other stuff. You just need to click on it, and then it's going to give you everything you want. It's going to select the subject, it's going to paint the skin, detect the skin, and detect the eyes and the lips, and just paint only the skin and leave out places that are not needed or where you don't want the effect to be. So show you how this action works. Now we can see before and after. We're not going to do for only this image. I have so many other images that I'm going to try this action on. I just want you to see how it works. So let me get rid of this, and let's just say we have something like this already. Now all you just need to do, this is the auto melanin skin. You just need to click on it, and it's just going to work in the background. So it's actually working already in the background, and it's processing. So it's just going to take a few seconds and the final result. So let's wait.
Purchase your tracks today.
Boom. So here we go with our final melanin skin. Just imagine nothing affects the eyes, nothing affects the lips, and you get this your final result. It's even detects the light and all the section for you. You can see what it's doing in the background. Okay, so this is the auto melanin skin, and if you feel like the effect is too strong or too light, you can mess around with the opacity. Right now it's at 70. You can take it down and you get this type, get this feel. You don't need to have so many lots that gives you different opacity or different feel. You can actually change it right here, and you can increase it if you want. So dark, just take a look at that. She's looking so dark right now, and before, so after, and this. So sometimes I like it somewhere around here, which is looking okay for me. Now let's try it on another image. Now take a look at this image again, and here is our before and after. Before and after for the melanin skin. I'm just going to show you how I did it. So just this is the image. Let's say we have just 3 or 4 layers. You can have one anyway, so make sure it's not the background. I'm just going to click on it again. So let's click on it and we'll see what's going to happen. So it's taking time to load. Here we go with our auto melanin skin. Now she's looking very, very dark. Okay, you don't need to worry. Now you see it didn't affect the background, it didn't affect the lips or whatever. So this is what we have. Now we can decrease the opacity anyway, so just come back and take it downwards a little bit, and you have the flow or what you need. 37 should be fine, or 40 should be fine. So we have before and after. So the melanin skin is actually there. So if you don't want it on the lips, that's okay. So notice you don't need to start selecting, removing it from the air, removing it from the brighter areas. It automatically detects where it should be applied, which is the skin and all of the other places. So if you also don't want it on the lips, I can do that for you. You can just select the mask tool and make sure the foreground color is black, and you can decrease the opacity and just erase it. Finish from this mask. Yeah, so you have before and after, so it's only affecting that side. Now on our last image, which is this one, we can also apply it on this one. So I already did apply it, so we can see the effect. We can also use this. This is our first image, so I'm just going to apply it on this. So just make sure you are not applying it on the background. So I'm just going to click on it again, and let's see what's going to happen to this.
Purchase your tracks today.
So take a look at this. Just take a look at this. All right. So take a look at this. I've applied it, and here we go. Our before. Let's take a look at our before and after. So now you can see that it did not apply on the red side and this side. So it's just on the face, and we can also decrease the opacity if that's too much. So something like this. And if you want to go overboard, take it all the way up, and it will give you that look that you're looking for melanin skin. So notice why it didn't actually apply to the red part. If you want it there, well, you can come inside and on the mask and just